Hello everyone, this is Matsuyoshi. Thank you for watching my video. And today I am going to wire to this tsuyama hinoki to make mini bonsai. Okay, let's start it. First, watch the tree very carefully. This is my first time to see it. Here, there is two thick branches right here. You see? This branch and this branch. So this tree has a twin trunk, and I think it's good to make this twin trunk tree also, but this time I want to make a one trunk moyogi style. So I'm going to cut the when I watch inside, this side tree, see, this side tree has a good curving, and this side branch is very straight. This is straight side branch. Oh, hard to show it. Straight side, but this one has a curve. Maybe it's difficult to see by a movie, but this one has a curve. So I want to use this one, and I will drop this one. Okay. So I took it half. So I am using this one to make a tree. Okay. See, there's a curve on it. Again, I can use it. Okay, let's go. Let's start wiring. Let's put the wire inside. I am using a 1.5 milli aluminum wire for center trunk. Put it in. This tree have a row of this row, left cycle rolling. So wire to the same rolling. Be careful not to kill this cycle, and use it to make it shape. And wire to the main trunk, the thickest one. And this one will be the center. Done. So now I make a center curving right here. Okay, from here I'm going to watch the branches and taking out this wire. This branch is too small. Take out. So this one will be the lowest branch. Okay, and I think this one can use it as a second branch, and this is see, these two branches, yep, this branch, and this branch coming from the same place. So to cloud it, so I said I am using this branch, so I took the other one because this is too clouded. Okay, take it. So this is the second one, the first branch, second branch, and this is the third branch. Third branch also have two branches from the same side. I took the one and make it to one. So I have now 3 branches here, here, here. And this is the top, and there's too many on the top. Okay, see, this place is too crowded also, and this one is very thick. This one is a center branch is this one, and this branch is too thick against the center branch, so I can't use it. Stuck, and also drops the small one branches too. Okay, done. Okay, let's roll to the branches from now. I'm wiring to the first branch to decide the center branch and the second branch. Two. Yes. Okay. Okay. And this is the first branch, and also this one is too crowded. Okay, zoom up. The first branch is coming from this center, and there was 1 branch, 2 branch, and there is a branch going upward, and there are 2 crowded right here, and this has 2 more branches right here. Can you see? So I made this one the trunk. No, this was the center of this branch. I have to take some leaves. First, this one going upward. I need it cut. And this branch going to the right way, this one is going to the left way. Also this one is going to the left way, and this one is going to the center, and between the center and the left branch. So left, right, left, and the center. I took this and do this. Okay. Take this too. I will like to use this one, so make it shorter. I am making these side branches shorter. Okay, that's why. So this branch have a left, right, left, and center. So if you make a branches if it is first to have a side branch to the right, then you have the second branch to the left, and so left, right, and left, or left, right, and right, left, and right, or left, right, and left. So you have to do left, right, right, left. Okay, so to make a shape like this, and cut these center leaves to make a shape too, to make it more cream finish. Okay, done. This is it. So we continue to the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Okay, moving to the left one. But this is the second branch. But second branch, I don't think I need to wire to the other one, but cut the new leaves, and I can make shape like this. This is okay. Okay. And moving to the third and fourth branches. Yep. Wire to this one and this one. Okay, you can see these two. Oh, sorry, issue. These two leaves are too long for first one and second one. This is the first branch. This is the second branch. But this third and fourth branch is too long, so you can make a shape. To make a bonsai shapes, like a triangle is best. So lowest branch must be longest, and upward, then branch will be shorter than before. So make it short. Cut around here. This one also cut around here. This is too big too. Okay. So done. So last place is top. Oh. To make a top, this is a seedling to make mini bonsai, so we can make a large top, but only with one branch. So we can just roll like this. And make this a top. Okay. Cut unnecessary leaves to make it short, to make shape. After wiring, just all branches to the right place. Send it. Okay, and cut the necessary leaves to make it more cleaner finish. Okay, done. So the shapes are done. This will be the basic shape, and I will report this one to slit pot again, and we wait for a year and the new leaves will come. And after that, maybe here, from here, or this place, new buds, new sprout will comes, so we can make other branches too. And after that, maybe 1 year later or 2 years later, I plant to a small pot, beautiful pot for display. So this is how to make a mini bonsai from the seedling. So how is it? If you like it, subscribe and give me a thumbs up, comment, share to the essence. Everything is welcome. Thank you for watching. Thank you. See you next time.